Oh.
Aw, my hand hurts. I have to write this book and I don't know what I'm going to do. My hand keeps cramping up. I hate handwriting so much.
I can fix your problem. You can use the typewriter.
What was it used for? Can I use it for my job? Can I write books with it?
Yes, you can. You can keep records, you can write letters, you can write newspapers, you can even write a book, what you're doing right now.
Can I use it now?
Well, the first ever typewriter was built in Europe by Danish pastor Ramus Hansen in 1867. It was called the Hansen writing bulb. Here's a picture.
Whoa, that looks way too heavy. How am I going to move it around for my job?
It was so heavy. It was 15 to 25 pounds, which was way too much to move around, so the first typewriter was most likely kept at a desk or a table.
Oh, I can't use that. I need to move it around.
That's right. So later that year, Christopher L. Scholes made the next typewriter. And if you're just wondering, here's a picture of Christopher L. Scholes. Alright, so this typewriter was called QWERTY. Two entrepreneurs purchased Scholes' typewriter for $12,000.
No wonder I don't have it. That's way too expensive. I can't afford that.
That's right. So in 1873, Remington, which was such a popular company.
I think I've heard that before.
Really? So have I. They developed the first practical typewriter. At this point, businesses were finally putting them into their offices.
Whoa, I wonder what it looks like.
Let's take a look. It was very fancy. It was black, and you can even see the logo up at the top.
Was it lighter? Was it cheaper? I can't afford $12,000.
It was way cheaper, and it was not as heavy.
How does it work?
Let's find out. Typewriters use hundreds of thousands of moving parts, and cold rolled steel is one of the most reliable materials you can possibly use. So the keyboard is made by each key connected to a type bar that lifted a typeface to strike the paper to make a letter or number come out.
That sounds perfect. Rural areas, people can move to urban areas to get more jobs, like Ireland right now.
That's right. In case you didn't know, Ireland is going through such a tough time that they can't find any jobs. So they move over to America, and in America, offices are finally putting typewriters in so they can use the typewriters.
That'll make so many jobs, but like what?
Well, you can write books for a job. You can even make the typewriters in factories, for all I know.
That sounds so cool.
It's so cool. Thank gosh it's National Typewriter Month.
That's February. Hi, I came from Ireland, and there's so many more jobs in America because of the typewriter. Newspapers and articles can be published so much easier with the typewriter. And now I work for a newspaper company.
Hello, I am the new newspaper columnist, and this typewriter really makes my job a lot easier.
I'm the adventurous journalist from Massachusetts. Without the typewriter, I'd be writing notes in my journal. But now, because of this typewriter, I'm able to type everything up and save it and send it into the journal columnist.
Typewriter has really improved our jobs as teachers.
Yeah.
I'm a businesswoman who keeps record and uses the typewriter.
Woman, and I use the typewriter to keep records. It makes my job way easier. Before, I had to handwrite everything.
Hi, I'm Michelle Scaglione, and now that I have a typewriter, I can write books faster and easier. Before it took so long because I had to handwrite everything. But now I don't have to, thanks to the typewriter.
I love the typewriter. It's lightweight, it's easy to use, it doesn't waste much ink, and the best part, it's affordable. Now I can finally go over to the Louisiana Territory and write to my wife on how business is going.